Hi guys. Instead of creating a new August webinar where we will take away maybe only just few people because of summer, sunshine and vacancies, we made a decision to create a lightweight interview with me, and we will have a Q&A section where I will answer on 3 Delphi related questions, most famous Delphi related questions for me. Yes, it's only 3 questions. We are not a pop stars, and our Delphi work is a little bit less. A lot of people, including our customers, clients, friends, and team members, asking me one question: why am I Delphi 1 dualist and why am I popularizing Delphi? And the answer very interesting, and the question is very interesting, and I'm asking this question all the time myself and polishing the answer. And what can I say? That I have a story, and yes, story. It's not a joke. It was in the high school. I have informatics classes, and we studied BASIC and C++ and other programming languages. And for me it was something crazy. I hated them. I hated all this computer science, software development. I even sort of becoming not a techie. I thought that I will be an architect or even any humanitarian specialization I will take for my future life. But the stars turned on that I went to the technical university, and on the first course, you know what happened? Yes, I saw Delphi 3, and everything was changed after that. And for me it was so interesting. I was so impressed that I didn't sleep. I wrote some text editors, different student databases, and of course calculator. I wrote a calculator. It's impossible to start Delphi in software development without this application. And this impression has quickly grown to the passion and goes to something what drives us at Softacom right now. Of course, it was not on 1 year or 2 years, it was 20 years. It was a long way. And right now we can see our mission at Softacom like popularizing Delphi and creating a community of clients, our clients, and Delphi experts, and explain for people the reasons why they have to use Delphi, and why they have to migrate and, for example, keep up to date their legacy Delphi software. And this community consists of 2 parts, and both of them are very important. The first one, this is people who are using software which was built using Delphi, and the second part is Delphi expert and Delphi developers. And when I'm talking about the Delphi related technologies, I'm talking about whole Delphi, even Red Studio ecosystem. It's all about the desktop, web, mobile development, and also especially cross-platform development using single code base. Native applications using single code bases, FireMonkey. Other question: how did I become a Delphi MVP, and why Embarcadero gave me such rank? And the answer is very short and very easy. It's like a result of many years of work and networking, and it's my proud. I think that I'm the first Embarcadero MVP from Belarus. I hope I'm first. If you have any different other information, you can add this information in the comments to this video. the third question sounds like, why do we create all these webinars about Delphi-related technologies? And I'm getting such questions from our clients who have been using this Delphi for decades, and they all the time thinking, does Delphi up to date, and will Embarcadero support it in the future? Should we migrate to another technologies or still use Delphi? And also, what I'm hearing from young guys, should I study Delphi in the university? And this is why we're creating these webinars. All these questions are the same, and we are trying to explain why you have to use Delphi. We are trying to compare it with other technologies. We are explaining how to migrate from legacy to up-to-date, and we're trying to provide information from the first mouth and explain pros and cons, and all these pros and cons based on our experience. And I hope it will help a lot of people. I hope. And guys, like one of the additions, like the end of my interview, I want to add that we're trying to build our webinars a little bit more interactive, and I will be glad if you will provide some ideas, recommendations, what we want to change in our future webinars, because you see that fall season is coming and we are preparing new webinars. And if you have any ideas which themes or technologies we have to explain and expand, I will be very glad if you will find us and contact us somewhere in the social media, in Twitter, email, Facebook, LinkedIn, and so on, and provide some feedback and your ideas. I will be very glad. Bye.